Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing fine. So today we are going to study English Literature Unit 9. Unit 9, A Rare Species of Uncle. A Rare Species of Uncle, written by Zai Whittaker. Zai Whittaker is an Indian writer who writes mainly about wildlife and conservation. She became interested in it. Where she became interested? She became interested in wildlife and conservation because all her family members were great lovers of nature. So this is all about the writer. Now I kindly request you children to take your literature book page number 85 or to take page 85. So this text is taken from a biography of Salim Ali, a well-known Indian ornithologist. Okay, so this lesson is taken from a biography of Salim Ali, a well-known Indian ornithologist. Ornithologist means a person who studies or is an expert in birds. Okay. Famously referred to as the bird man of India. Okay. Here, Zai Whittaker tells us about her childhood experiences with Salim Mamu, who was her grandmother's brother. Now, the writer Zai Whittaker tells about her childhood experiences in this lesson with Salim Mamu, who was her grandmother's brother. So this is all about short introduction about the lesson. Salim Bhai was my Mamu. So Zai Whittaker, writer, she is telling that Salim Bhai was my Mamu, her Mamu, uncle. My grandmother, Kamu's brother. So her grandmother, Kamu's brother, he was Salim Bhai. By the time I was born, who is I? Writer, Zai Whittaker. Okay, by the time I was born, writer was born, he was living with Kamu. Salim Bhai or Salim Mamu was living with grandmother Kamu and her husband Hassan, grandfather, our Nani and Nana in Bandra. Where were they living? In Bandra, Mumbai. My parents are both nature lovers. So the writer is telling that her parents were both nature lovers. And my father, Zafar Fateh Ali, became interested in birds through Salim Mamu. So even her father became interested in birds through Salim Mamu. My mother wrote a book with Salim Mamu. Even her mother, Zai Whittaker's mother, wrote a book with Salim Mamu called Common Indian Birds. Her mother wrote a book along with Salim Mamu, and the name of the book is Common Indian Birds. Quite often, when new bird watchers are out in the field, one or two of them look into my mother's book to identify a bird. So the writer is telling that quite often, very often, when new bird watchers means people who watch birds in their natural environment and recognize different varieties of birds in order to find different types or variety of birds. The new bird watchers, they used to take the help of that book, Common Indian Bird, to find out, identify the birds. Okay, next. My brother, sister, and I. The writer is telling that her brother, my brother, sister, and I, means writer, Jai Whittaker, grew up in a very nature-friendly atmosphere. So the writer grew up in the family where all were the lover of nature. So she grew up in a very nature-friendly atmosphere. My brother, sister, and I grew up in a very nature-friendly atmosphere. So the writer grew up in a very nature-friendly atmosphere. Atmosphere means a situation in which people appreciate nature and mean no harm to it. They don't harm the nature. They love the nature. So in that atmosphere, she grew up. At dinner, we often heard words like habitat and ecosystem. So most of the time, at home, especially at dinner, she used to hear the words like habitat and ecosystem. Habitat means the place where a particular type of animal or plant is normally found. Okay? And ecosystem means the way in which living things in an area relate to each other and their surroundings. So most of the time, their talk was about the nature. Many discussions about nature and the environment. So many discussions about nature and the environment took place around our beautiful old dining table in Juhu Lane, Andheri. So in their house, especially at dinner, they used to discuss about the environment, ecosystem, all this. Those days I greatly envied. The writer is saying that those days, during his childhood days, I greatly envied my school friends. Envied means felt jealous. She used to feel jealous of her school friends because they could sleep as late as they liked on weekends. On weekends means when there was no school, holidays. So her school friends, they used to sleep as late as they liked. They used to get up late. But the writer, we on the other hand were waken up because the writer Jai Whittaker used to feel jealous of her school friends because during holidays her friends used to get up late as they liked. But Jai Whittaker, they used to get up early at 5:30 a.m. Why they used to get up early? To go bird watching at Borivali Park. They used to get up early at 5:30 a.m. to go bird watching, to see birds at Borivali Park, which is now a national park. Now Borivali Park, during her childhood days, it was a small park, but now it has become national park. Sometimes Salim Mamu would come along too. So the writer is saying that sometimes Salim Mamu used to come along with them to go to Borivali Park. He would drive his Willys jeep like a battle tank. So the writer is telling that whenever Salim Mamu accompanied them, he used to drive his Willys jeep like a battle tank. Battle tank, you might have seen that what is used especially for during war. Okay. Yudhak tank we can say in Hindi. Okay, used for war. So he used to drive like that battle tank, honking and shouting at every person and car on the road, making lot of noise, honking, giving horn, shouting at every person. All those people were at the roadside, waking them, making noise on the road. His temper, so Salim Mamu's temper means the way someone feels at a particular time. Sometimes become angry, moody, happy, that way. But Salim Mamu, he was a short temper, man of short temper. His temper, which was never very sweet, was definitely at its worst on the road. So, especially on the road while driving, his mood was not so sweet, angry mood. Therefore, he used to make lot of noise, giving horn, all this. As passengers, so the writer, they were sitting in the jeep. So she's saying, as passengers, we learn to shut our eyes. Because such a way he used to drive and take the jeep. And those who sat in his jeep, usually they used to feel afraid. And a lot of noise, because of that they used to shut their eyes and hope for the best, to reach safely. So that way, their intention. So they used to shut their eyes and hope for the best. At Borivali, at that park, we had favorite walking trails in the forest. Trails, that is paths that are followed for a particular purpose. Small footpaths were made. That was so. The writer is saying that we had favorite walking trails, path in the forest, following pretty streams and waterfalls. So in that park there was streams and waterfalls. So they used to visit. I was not a great bird watcher. So the writer, Zai Whitaker, is saying that she was not a great bird watcher and still remains so. Even now she is not that great bird watcher. I keep buying bird. She is saying that I keep buying bird books to know more about birds, different types of birds. She used to buy books about birds and binoculars. Binoculars? What do you mean by binoculars? It's an optical instrument with a lens for each eye used for viewing distant objects. We can say it's like a telescope to see the far things, that is used, binoculars. So, the writer Zai Whitaker was not a great bird watcher, but she used to buy books on birds to know different types of birds. So binoculars, hoping that these will magically make me clever. She used to hope that book on birds and binoculars, if she has, that will make him clever in bird watching. But Salim Mamu definitely had some secret bird finding talent. But Salim Mamu, he had some secret bird finding talent. But Salim Mamu definitely had some secret bird finding talent. Now, we know about Salim Mamu. He had some secret in bird finding talent. So this is all about in this page. In next video, we will study from page 87. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.